Hello everyone, welcome back to AutoCAD tutorial. Today this is what we're going to do. A very simple design. Yes, it looks kind of beautiful with all the different lines showing inside. Look at this. We have this dimension here, 160 mm. Just forget about these fillets, we're going to get them later. This is 120 mm. From this place to this place is 200 mm. Okay, we have this one to be 100 mm. So the radius here is 10, 10, and all these ones are given as well. So what do you think we should do? If you are asked to design this without this tutorial video, where would you start from? Please comment on this, write it on the comment section below. Let me know what your ideas are. Where do you think you will start from for this kind of design? Okay, let's get to business then. You could easily start from here and start going to the left as you wish, but I think I will decide to start with the baseline here. This baseline is 120 mm, the same dimension with this upside here, so 120 by 160. I'm going to get it done now, and also I'm kind of like going to draw 120, 160, 120. So let's get that done now. New drawing. So go to home button, home menu. We have 120. So we'll go to this side. We have 160 up. Now we have repeat line here. We also have 120. You can take this and track it up to give you 120 without stress. Now we have this up there. Do you see that? Now we have 120, 120 here and here, and we have 160 here. If I am to get this correctly, we should be able to locate the distance between this place and this place, and also the distance between this place and this place, so that we can leave the allowance and continue our design. If this place is 160 and this place is 100, what should I tell you? It means some distance have been left, some dimensions and some length have been cut off here, and some have been cut off here. So that leaves 30 away here and 30 away right here as well. So we will draw a center line here. So let's just continue. Draw a center line here, make it up by 50, down by 50 to get this line and this line. Then we will offset this by, this is already 120 and this is 200, by 320. Or we could simply draw a line here and offset by 200. Okay, so first and foremost, a center line or construction line. If this thing is not showing on your design, just simply come to your snap tool and turn midpoint on. Very simple. So construction line, this is the center point here. I'm going to draw this here, and I could draw another one here, doesn't matter. So for our own good, we have this now. I'm going to offset by 50 mm this line up and this same line down, and this by 200. With this thing that I've done now, I've gotten this position, and this position. Simple, right? So I will simply trim the unnecessary lines first so that I will know what I'm doing. So this is not necessary, and this is not good, not needed, not needed, and this and this are not needed. You see this? Now I can already see what I'm doing. So if you look at this, there is a distance of 20 millimeters in from this left hand side before these designs were started, and there's also 20 millimeters up from the base before the design was started, and the design is basically 40 by 80 in dimension. So I'm going to offset 20 20 and then start. So we can see now we will select offset by 20 millimeters, this down, this. We can look back and see that here is 40 and here is 80, right? So offset by 40 from this place down, from this place by 80, and then you can see the dimension is already forming around here. So first let's trim this, 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 and this. So the same thing happens here, offset by 20 from this place up, and by 40 from this place up. To get that as well, trim this, 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 and this, to this and that. We're done with this side down, so we can go back to the drawing. I'm done with this and I'm done with this. So let's look at this. You see that this is kind of a semicircle or an arc of radius 10 mm. The same happens for the rest, 10 mm, 10 mm, 10 mm, and this is right at the center, passing through the center. If this is 10 mm, what do you think is the diameter? The radius is 10 mm. What's the diameter? That means the diameter is what? 20 mm. Do you get it? So, and you've been told that the distance from this place to this place is 10, right? So let's go there, offset by 10 units from this place to this place first. And if that is the case, if this is 10, this from here to here is also 10. From this place to this place is 10. From this place to this place is 10. From this place to this place is 10. And this is 20, 20, 20. So look, 20 plus 20 plus 20, 60, 10, 70, 10, 80, 10, 90, 10, 100. So we're going to offset 10, right? Then 20, then 10, then 20, then 10, then 20. Can we do that? That will be much better. Let's just go offset by 10 from here to this place, that's allowance. From this place to this place by 20. From this place to this place by 10 again. From this place to this place by 20. From this place to this place by 10. But from this place to this place by 20. You can see this is the only thing that is confusing now. That is out. Look how beautiful it's going to be. So let's trim all this out, trim this out, trim this out, trim this out, trim this out. So you can see that we're almost there. So this is exactly right at this dimension. So we'll simply take a line and close it, close and close. Take a line, close this place up, line again, close this place up, line again, close this place up. Now we are done. Just to fillet the edges is what remains. So all the fillets are 10 mm. Obviously we just turn, yes, turn, and everything is 10 mm. So let's go fillet between this and this, but radius 10 millimeter. Enter. So that is it. The same thing happens to this. Enter. The same thing happens to this. Enter. The same thing happens to this. Enter. enter. The same for this. Just repeat the steps. Select multiple so you don't have to enter again. It's becoming stressful. So keep going. Okay, we're done with that side. So for this place, just select it like this, and you see it coming up. You see how beautiful it's turning to be now. Okay, sorry. This close, this close. Now we have the beautiful design. We're done with the design now. Very simple. You see that? Simple, right? So we're going to do the simple dimensioning. Okay, annotate, modify. We have maybe 5 mm. Well, let me just put 4. Then the text color green. I think I like the green when it comes to dimensioning. Text ISO standard, and I used to put 2 units there. Set current, and we can dimension now. From this place to this place is 120. The same linear dimension from this place to this place in linear mode is 200. The same dimension from this place to this place is 100. The same dimension from this place to this place was 160, right? Yeah, 160. So the same linear dimension from this place to this place was 80, but from this to this was 40, and the distance from this line to this line was 20, and from this line to this line was also 20. We're getting there. So we are left with the radii identified. So the distance from here and here was 10. You can see that, right? And I think that's all. We're going to select radius now. So let's not destroy the design. We're going to just put it at 2 places. One, radius is 10 mm and radius is 10 mm, and that's all. So here the radius is 10. It's obviously written there. Okay, doesn't matter if it's outside or inside. And this radius is 10 as well. So okay, now that is the design. It's quite beautiful. Look, all perfectly drawn. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks for your time. I hope you are really learning something. So make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any video. Turn on the notification button as well, and invite your friends to this channel. We'll be going gradually until we are all perfect in it. Thank you.